This is Teddy's birthday cake. Will is watching Shrek on the couch. He does not care. Up here. No, not back in there.
He's pretty honest about what he likes.
All right, this is what we got so far. We're gonna put, I'm thinking putting the crackers and hummus on one side of this tray.
On the tray.
Unless you want to do your wings.
Well, I can put the wings on one side.
This is Teddy's birthday cake. It cracked when we were trying to get out of the pan, but you know what? It's okay. It's just for Teddy. And we're probably not gonna let him eat the whole thing, but it came with a little candle. We have his Woodland Happy birthday. We tried the balloons inside. Not gonna make a big deal about it because he's gonna see me walking over here. It didn't work, so we had to hang them outside because Teddy is obsessed with balloons. Aren't you? Will is watching Shrek on the couch. Yeah, we're thinking about getting a pizza. We originally weren't going to, but we
only have wing, hummus, chip. My mom's bringing a King Ranch casserole, chicken casserole, and we'll have watermelon, lemonade, and ice water.
And maybe pizza.
But we have about 10 people coming.
Yeah, and 10 people are all eating on one casserole, and some people don't want wings. And then I wrapped Teddy's presents. Me and Will got him 4 presents.
You'll have more than that.
Usually people,
he
it's not that we don't want people to bring, because Teddy would be sufficient with 4 toys. Everyone likes Teddy unwrapping his toys. And he also is wearing his bandana. Also, we got some pretty flowers.
And a new vase.
And we got the vase from Home Goods, right? Yeah, so the flowers from Food Lion, our grocery store. So now we're just waiting. It's 3:01. So T-minus 59 minutes to our guest arrive, Will.
We didn't sing happy birthday.
Oh, we had He does not care.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Teddy. Happy birthday to you.
He's like, I've been waiting all day for this cake.
He likes it, man.
Well, I have to get another. Get in there.
Get in there, Ted.
What's in there?
Listen. Oh. Sweet. Yeah.
You got it made too.
Oh,
It's really good.
That's what
He likes
it. Oh, wow.
All right, Patty, look. You got another toy. Up here. No, not back in there. Look, Teddy. Get it. Get it. There you go.
Oh.
I know this thing.
There.
What is it?
Oh, is that a treat?
A tree.
A treat.
Ooh, okay.
He's pretty honest about what he likes. What'd you get? Ooh. Oh, he likes, that's the type of stuff he likes. Thank you very much.
Get it, Teddy. Get it, Teddy.
What do you get?
Oh, a caterpillar. Oh, that's an alligator. Here you go, Daddy. Oh, wow. Where'd it go? Oh. He's always going back for more. Ooh. Wow, Teddy. Oh, you love those. Wow. Yeah. Teddy, is there more? For now. Oh.
Yeah.
Powerade. Teddy,
Teddy.
this can't be real.
what is it, Teddy? Big boy.
Oh.
Get out of there.
Uh-oh. Is that an elephant? Yeah. It's. Ooh.
Get it out!
I've honestly forgotten what this one is.
Right there's the
Go look.
Okay, right here. Oh.
Get it.
Oh. Is that a snake?
Get out of there.
Oh. He's not a fan.
That was too hard to get.
He likes that green alligator.
Teddy, look. Come on.
I know. That's for last, Teddy.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big boy. Oh, is that a caterpillar? Oh yeah, that's like he likes that one. See which one he likes the most. He can see the blue.